I make DIY and lifestyle videos for you guys. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get some awesome videos. I don't know about you guys, but I love Valentine's Day. I know everyone thinks that it's just something that was made by greeting card companies, but I love it. I love having a day where people are openly sharing their love for each other. Friends, family, boyfriends, girlfriends, anything. It's awesome. I just love it when people show their caring and their love for one another, and I'm super excited for Valentine's Day to get here. One of the things that I love about the holidays and Christmas time is having a wreath outside my door to make it more fun and exciting and to just get in the holiday spirit. So today I thought it would be really fun to make a Valentine's Day wreath that you can hang outside your door. This one is gonna be super cute and involve making our own pom-poms. It's gonna be so adorable, guys. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is grab some cardboard. I'm just using the lid from the top of an old box. Then you're going to take something that's circular in shape to about the size that you want your pom-poms to be. I used an old duct tape roll to do this. Then I put it on the cardboard and trace around with a pen so I have a nice even circle. And then I'm going to make a second one of these as well. Then you're going to want to cut out your circles. Then you're going to want to trace a circle in the middle of one of your circles. I used a bottle cap for this because it was the perfect size. It doesn't have to be perfectly in the center, but try and get it as close as you can. Then you're going to want to cut this circle out. Now, I probably didn't do it in the most safest way possible, but it was so much easier just to poke a hole through with my scissors and then cut around it that way. You might know a better and safer way to do this, but this is how I did it. Once you have that cut out, you're going to want to take this circle and place it on the top of your second one and trace that same circle in the exact spot on your second one. That way we can make sure the two circles line up. After you've traced this circle, you're going to want to cut this one out as well. That way you'll end up with two circular objects with holes in the middle. To make the pom-poms, you'll need a whole bunch of different colors of strings. I picked a lot of reds and pinks and whites for this. The first thing you want to do is measure out 3 to 4 feet of string for this. The amount of string you'll need depends on how big your pom-poms are. I used 4 feet of string for these to make them really full and fun. After you've measured out your 4 feet, what you're going to want to do is fold over the string so that you have 15 different strands of string. This takes a little while, so sit back and relax while you work on these because it took me quite some time. Once you have your 15 strands, snip off the edge. Then we're going to take our cardboard pieces and place them on top of each other. Take your string and you're going to want to feed it through the middle of the circle, then wrap the string around the circle until you've reached the end of your string. You're going to do this by roping it through the middle and around the edges. If the string doesn't fill up the entire circle, move it around so that it kind of fills up as much as possible. That way we can make sure that the string is as even as we want it to be. Then you're going to take a piece of string about 6 inches long so that we can tie the middle of our puffball together. Then you're going to take the string that you made and take the scissors and put it in between the two cardboard pieces and cut the string around the circle. Make sure that the string is held on tight so it doesn't come off the circle. When all the string is cut, you're going to take the two cardboard pieces and make an opening in the center so that you have enough room to tie your string around the middle. This will help make it so that our puffball stays together. I took the string and I tied it around 2 times in the middle to make sure that it stays nice and tight. Then slide each cardboard piece off of the edge. Then you're going to want to fluff your poof ball together and then cut off any of the extra string that is sticking out from the others. And then fluff it up some more to just give it that big poof ball look. And there you have your poof ball. Repeat this process over and over until you have the desired amount of colors that you want to fit around your wreath. I think I made about 30 to 35 poof balls to make this entire wreath. Then you're going to take a wreath form. I grabbed this at Michael's just in the floral section at the desired size that you want. Attach the pom-pom to the wreath by hot gluing it on. Once you have that glued on, you can put all the different colors that you want in whichever order you have. I did mine a little bit sporadic around the entire wreath until it filled it up. There's no need to put the pom-poms on the back of the wreath because that will be flush against the door. Once you have your pom-poms fully covering your wreath, let the hot glue dry, and there you have it. You have your super cute pom pom wreath. This will be easily hung on a door using a wreath hanger. You can pick this up at any store, Lowe's or Michael's or Joann's. They all have them. So you can just hang that over the door and this will just slide on right into the hanging part. DIY turned out pretty well. It's so fun and poofy. I love it so much. It's gonna look so great hanging outside on my door. My neighbors are gonna love it. And the best part is that it just started snowing outside my windows, so it makes it even more perfect for this time of year. I hope you guys liked this DIY. If you try it out, let me know. I would love to see your pictures of your DIYs. You can find me at these lovely places. I wanna know what you guys think about Valentine's Day. I love it so much, but I know some people don't really like it. So, are you yay Valentines or nay Valentines? Let me know down in the comments below. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this. I'll see you guys next week.